right now. If you know about the real hip hop back in the days, real original hip hop. This is what we doing right now. The record that really set it off for Brooklyn, set it off right for Brooklyn. Disco Richie, the name of the group is called Divine Sound.
Wait a minute, Ralph. Now check this out. Now I want y'all to understand right now. Let's give a round of applause for my man Ralph. Everybody that watch music video box, come on, make some goddamn noise. Come on, man. Gotta put a song in your hand and bring the box down so we got no share. Disco Richie is what I call. All MCs will take a fall. I'm super bad from the rhymes I read. Saying so fast so it can't be big. Know you're on the top of the rhymes I create. You try to duplicate but you can't get it straight. Rhymes gotta pay to get elevate. My name is Disco Richie, let me do this. Do Brooklyn run this motherfucker. Do Brooklyn run this motherfucker. Mike music is the fuck on mine. And German now with the Zodiac time. Don't play no games when I do my work. I'm a one-man band when I'm in concert. I'm number one, that's how we make. Second DJs always get what take. They never understand. God is command. That's his command. Represent the same man. Don't mean the bread, don't mean the boast. Don't even mean to be conceited. But when my music gets on the job, every call it gets complete. Well, you know what we are all about. So we're two dead brothers in the dirty town. We the one sound, rockin' back to back. Let the beat drop, these young fellas down. Never said a rhyme that was incorrect. No perfection is the key. The rhymes are set. Got clientele, play with that damn bell. Treat it like a king in a nice hotel. Yes, I'm fresh and there's no one fresher. Twice as nice, so when I'm up, I got a brain like a computer, rockin' when they got program. Good all the place, but they can't understand. Now I'm thinking the girl come to me, make a cripple man walk, make the blind man see. Walk on for the win out there, west. If you wanna battle me, I think you wanna regret. So keep on looking, rhymes are cooking. Disco Richie, get the straight from Brooklyn. High power, rhyme like the never be the one is the East Yo. When you go to the snap, 'cause I am proud, you know the ladies in the front, I know you're ready like that. 'Cause I'm A to E, the baddest MC, whoever lived in Brooklyn. See it pop so good, pop so wet, for all the hot girls who's looking. And when I beat you, girl, I treat you right. Put a star on your face like those are right. Like that, y'all, and you don't stop. Come on, let me see your body rock. Y'all got a flashback. I got a flashback. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Now, remember this shit? Remember this shit? 1984. Oh, shit. I got a flashback. Yo, here, talk, bitch. Come straight center. A man came around in the neighborhood, and he promised to take you to Hollywood. That's what he said. He played with your head up, and then he skipped town with all your bread. Got hit by a car, fell to the ground, and people all over started to gather around. And he was hurt so bad, it seems to be, but he was only down for the currency. Ladies at the corner look so fine, and man, oh man, I wish he was mine. I wish he looked so cute with a skin tight suit, but she was selling that body as a prostitute. Well, it might sound sad, yo, bitch, it might sound funny, but that's what people do for money. Say it. Is the money over there? Money's over here. Is the money right there? Yeah, the money's right there. Say, make money. Make money. Brooklyn, take money. Now we don't need no music, so we're not going to use it. Say I'm down with Divine Sound. Say I'm down sound. Say I'm down, I'm down. With divine sound. Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Well, it's been some time since last I made a jam, so I've forgotten just who I am. I'm just gonna Richie, rest in peace, my DJ. We the deuce, but we used to be a trade. I rock the microphone, I stand alone now. As you see, I don't need no money anyhow. That's how we started out to be a mic, blowing out crews just like dynamite. Block parties, even at the jet dance, Big Daddy Kane, just who I am. You can identify, you know that I come from the streets of Bed-Stuy. I rock b-boys, I rock disco, I rock stages here from Frisco. I get ill with it, cause he's real with it. Suckers don't like me, but they just gotta deal with it. They try to diss me, they try to do school. And the name remains and I still rule. So listen close to what I say now. Still undefeated, cause we're divine sound. Happy birthday, DJ Scratch, baby.
That's what
You know what I mean? Uncle Ralph, you know I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Everybody watch that video music back there, y'all. Make some goddamn noise, Brooklyn. Y'all in my backyard tonight, baby. Fuck that. Y'all in my backyard tonight. When I say fuck you, say fuck you too. Fuck you. Fuck you too. Fuck you. Fuck you too. I love you, Brooklyn. Best styles for everybody.
Disco Richie, Divine Sounds. Thank you, brother, for what you paved the way for us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle Ralph.
Yes, sir.
Love you, baby. DJ Scratch, happy birthday, baby.
Yeah. Hey, yo, we celebrating the birthday. Make some noise up in this bitch. Right about all my ladies. I want to do a little sing-along real quick. I want to do a little sing-along. Let me see what we got we can sing along to. We've been rapping along all night.